project involves enforcing fair housing violations regarding development that's taking place in post-Katrina New Orleans, specifically looking at ensuring that people with disabilities have a place to live when the redevelopment process is said and done. That plays out in a lot of different ways, but one of the big ways that it plays out is in terms of a lot of the new publicly funded large-scale development that's taking place, enforcing design and construction standards to make sure that they're done in compliance with regulations that would allow for wheelchair users to have a place to live, a safe, accessible, and affordable place to live. My inspiration for the project actually comes from some work that I did as a law student in the civil litigation clinic, where we worked with some residents that had been former St. Thomas public housing residents on a place that is New Orleans' first experience with the Hope 6 federal redevelopment program, where residents had units set aside for former St. Thomas residents had units set aside in the new redevelopment, and we're getting the runaround in trying to access those units. And in the clinic, I had the opportunity to work with a single mother of a 4-year-old child who had a disability such that she was unable to work, and she was ultimately denied from being able to move into the unit because she wasn't working, but we had documentation that showed that she was not in a position to be able to work, and so we were able to bring an enforcement action and walk into a new unit with her with her daughter. And moving forward, with so much redevelopment happening in the region, I want to work to ensure that environments are created where people with disabilities can come back to New Orleans and live. And so that's the reason I'm doing this work.